Hello everybody, this is FishEYE here. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna make an atmosphere just using the effect echo. So first of all, we're gonna add this on one channel. It doesn't matter if this will be audio channel or a MIDI channel. In this case, I just select this MIDI channel and then we go to character noise. We put the amount up and the morph up. So just explaining what we're gonna do from here, we're gonna start to add some effects to this chain, and with this chain we're gonna start to modulate and create our sound. First of all, I will add a reverb. I will put this up again. So as you see, we have already like kind of white noise making this sound. And now what we're gonna add is an LFO from Max for Live. This will go to noise morph. So if we put the amount up, we're gonna duplicate it. And now we're gonna also put this on amount. We put a different radio. So from here, I'm just improvising, and what I'm gonna do is put this low. So if you, for example, put a delay now, I will add another reverb. We can put another LFO. Maybe we can hear just improvising again. I will put this down. Maybe we can put a filter here. So we can put another reverb here. We can, I don't know, like maybe a resonator. Maybe we duplicate this again. We have more reverb on it. So as you see, this is very helpful to create some atmosphere without any instrument and yes, with effects. So be creative, try different stuff, and I will be very happy if you share then with me this content and we can discuss about what you are doing.